Hello dear students, welcome you all online lecture series of third chapter, third lecture bookkeeping and accountancy. Third chapter that is admission of partner. In previous lecture I have explained you calculation of a new ratio, sacrifice ratio or calculation of sacrifice ratio, calculation of total profit method or calculation of average profit method, goodwill method or super profit method. We have learned accounting treatment of goodwill through illustration. The amount of compensation paid by the gaining partners to the sacrificing partner will be treated as per decided by all old partners. They can record the amount received of premium for goodwill in the books, or they can personally distribute this amount among all partners through partners capital account. Now suppose name of new partner is Sheetal. She bring her share of goodwill into the business. The old partner deciding the basis of treatment of goodwill brought by Sheetal. Sheetal enjoy future profit share. We have seen when goodwill brought by new partner. Goodwill is the benefit name, fame, reputation, image of business, which ultimately helps the business to earn more profits. Good wishes of the business in the mind of all related parties like customers, suppliers, bankers, competitors, workers, etc. Next, goodwill is an intangible asset. Goodwill means reputation, good name, good wishes of the business in the minds of all related parties like customers, suppliers, bankers, workers. Next is the goodwill is an intangible asset. Can be realized only, cannot be seen, shown or touch or feel, doesn't have actual physical existence. Goodwill doesn't have actual physical existence, but it is an extra valued or money attached to the business in addition to the value of its tangible assets. Tangible assets like furniture, land and building, machinery, etc. We have seen methods of valuation of goodwill. First, average profit method. Second, super profit method. In admission of partner, calculate average profit method or super profit method. We have go through example number 1. Aishwarya and Abhishek are equal partners in a firm. Their profit and losses of last 6 years are as follows. 2006 profit rupees 88,000, 2009 profit rupees 1,78,000, 2007 profit loss rupees 63,000, 2010 profit rupees 1,92,000, 2008 loss rupees 21,000, 2011 profit rupees 2,38,000. Calculate goodwill of the firm at 3 years purchase of average profit last 6 years if Aradhya is admitted. Aishwarya and Abhishek are old partners and new partner's name is Aradhya. Aradhya is admitted as a new partner for 1/4 share in the firm. Aradhya got 1/4 share in future. How much goodwill amount should be brought by Aradhya? Solution. Step number first, total profit. Student, we know total profit formula is equal to profit deducted loss. Profit is equal to rupees 80,000, 88,000 plus 1,78,000 plus 1,92,000 plus 2,38,000 minus loss deducted 63,000 plus 21,000. 63,000 plus 21,000, that is a loss of firm. For profit of firm 6,96,000 minus loss deducted 84,000. Total profit is equal to rupees 6,12,000. Step number 2, average profit is equal to total profit divided number of years is equal to 6,12,000 divided by 6. Rupees 1,02,000 is a average profit. Step number 3, goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years purchase is equal to 1,02,000 into 3 years. Number of years purchase is a 3 and average profit amount is a 1,02,000. So multiply by 3 is equal to rupees 3,06,000 is a goodwill value. Step number 4, Aradhya's share of goodwill means new partner's share of goodwill is equal to goodwill into Aradhya's share is equal to 3,06,000 into 1/4 is equal to Aradhya's share of goodwill rupees 76,500. Example, find the value of goodwill. Find the value of goodwill from the following information by using super profit method. Calculate year, follow year super profit method. Years 2014 amount profit rupees 80,000. Year 2015 profit rupees 95,000. 2016 profit rupees 1,10,000. 2017 loss rupees 40,000. 2018 profit rupees 85,000. First capital employed is rupees 3,50,000. Second, normal rate of return is 12%. Third, goodwill is to be valued at 2 years purchase of super profit. Solution. Step first, calculation of a total profit is equal to profit deducted loss is equal to profit, total profit 80,000 plus 95,000 plus 1,10,000 plus 85,000. Deducted loss 40,000. Total profit rupees 3,30,000. Total profit rupees 3,30,000. Then step second, calculation of average profit. Average profit formula is equal to total profit divided by number of years is equal to 3,30,000 divided by 5. Total profit is a 3,30,000 and number of years 5 years is equal to 66,000, means 3,30,000 divided by 5, amount is a got 66,000. Average profit is a 66,000. Step third, calculation of a normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into NRR. Divided by 100. Is equal to 3,50,000 into 12 divided by 100 is equal to 42,000. Amount is a 3,50,000 into 12 divided by 100. Amount is a got 42,000. Step fourth, calculation of super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit is equal to 66,000 minus 42,000 is equal to 24,000. Calculation of super profit. Super profit is equal to 24,000. Step fifth, calculation of goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchase. Super profit calculate here 24,000 into number of years purchase is a 2. So goodwill is equal to 42,000. Journal entries relating goodwill. First, when new partner brings his share of goodwill in cash and it is retained in the business, entry should be passed. New partner brings his share of goodwill means new partner bring cash towards his capital and it is written in the business. So entry should be passed. Cash or bank account debit. Cash is a real account. Follow here real account rules. Cash is coming in business. So what comes in? Cash comes in. So cash or bank account debit to goodwill account. Narration. Being cash brought by new partner for his share in goodwill. New partner is a bring cash. So cash account debit to goodwill account. Second, for distribution of amount of goodwill between the old partners or goodwill rates, goodwill account debit to old partners capital or current account. Narration. Being amount of goodwill distributed between old partners. Let us see for distribution of amount of goodwill between the old partners. Old partners account is a credited. Goodwill raised, then old partners capital account is a credited and goodwill account is a debited. Goodwill account is a debited. So write down in a debit side. Goodwill account debit to distribute old partners. So to old partners capital or current account. Narration. Being amount of goodwill distributed between old partners. Here is a calculate sacrifice ratio or old profit sharing ratio. Third, for amount of goodwill withdraw by old partners. New partners is a bring goodwill, but old partners withdraw by old partners withdraw goodwill. So entry should be pass old partners capital or current account debit, because old partner is a withdraw for personal use. 2. Cash or bank account. Narration being amount of goodwill withdraw by old partner. Treatment of goodwill. First, premium method. Under, under this method, new partner brings his share of goodwill in cash or kind. It may be retained in the business or may be withdrawn by the old partners. Let us see transaction. When new partner brings his share of goodwill in cash and it is retained in the business, then entry should be pass cash or bank account debit, because cash is a comes in business. Cash is a real account. 2. Goodwill account. New partner is a bring goodwill, so to goodwill account. Narration being goodwill brought in by new partner. Second, goodwill account debit to old partner's capital or current account. Narration being goodwill distributed among old partners. New partner brings his share of goodwill. So first entry is here, goodwill account debited, and first entry cash or bank account debited to goodwill account. Then goodwill is distributed to old partner. So goodwill account debit to old partner's capital or current account. Here is a calculated sacrifice ratio. Then when new partner brings his share of goodwill in cash and it is withdrawn by old partner. First entry should be passed here, cash or bank account debit to goodwill account. Narration being goodwill brought in by new partner. Second, goodwill account debit. Second entry is here, goodwill account debit to old partner's capital or current account. Narration being goodwill distributed among old partners. C. Old partners capital or current account. Goodwill is distributed among old partners. So old partners capital or current account debited. To cash or bank account. Cash goes out, so cash or bank account is credited. Narration being goodwill withdraw by old partners. Here is also calculate sacrifice ratio. When new partner brings his share of goodwill in cash and it is paid to old partners privately. Entry. In this case, no entry is required to be passed the books of the firm. New partner brings his share of goodwill in cash and it is paid to old partners privately. So, in business, cash is not coming, so no entry is here. Students, we have learned accounting treatment of goodwill with illustration. We have learned when goodwill brought by new partner. We have learned average profit method and super profit method through example. We learned general entries relating goodwill. Students, we are calculate all ratio or all method of goodwill. Thank you for watching my video.